The DHL Library has always been a very special place to me. I've been coming here since I was a little boy. My father was a researcher who used the library. Sometimes he would bring me with him to gather books. I can remember him showing me how to use the card catalog. Rows and rows of little wooden boxes, each filled with a stack of cards, one for each book, subject, author, and keyword. When I think of my undergraduate days at State, I think of DHL. There are very few places on campus where I spent more time. I could still to this day tell you where my favorite places are to sit, which carols, on which floor, each with its own little window on the world. It didn't matter which class I was taking, DHL is where I went to learn. The mission of the library hasn't changed, just the technology. But nothing is more indicative of the evolution of DHL Library than the creation of the DHL Makerspace. What was once a musty print shop is now the ultimate high-tech learning center, where students gather to explore the latest technologies, wearable electronics, 3D printing, microcontrollers, embedded computing, and more. I've had the pleasure of leading a number of workshops here at the DHL Makerspace. I am delighted to see so many students taking advantage of everything the Makerspace has to offer. I'm particularly glad to find such a diverse group of students here in the Makerspace. I remember DHL as it was when I was an undergraduate, but I've been delighted to rediscover DHL as it is now here in the DHL Makerspace. In countless ways over the past 30 years, DHL has changed, but in the most important way, it has not. DHL is still a great place to learn. The evolution of DHL has enabled this one place to serve literally generations. I'm Elliot Inman. I'm a graduate of NC State, a data scientist, and for the past 20 years, I've been proud to say that I am a friend of the library.